Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Walmart Spark. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in drive4spark.walmart.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Spark driver website. In order to sign up and create a new account, click on the sign up button at the top right corner and you will be asked to enter your zip code. After entering your zip code, click on continue and you will be asked to choose your specific locations. Just pick your location and click on the continue button. You will now be shown the requirements that you will need to fulfill in order to become a Spark driver. Make sure you understand all of the requirements and read through them carefully. And when you are ready, you can click on the Enroll Now button. Once you click on this button, fill up your information such as your phone number and fulfill the survey checkbox. After filling all of these information, click on the Send Code button and you will receive a verification code within your phone number. Just check your inbox and enter this verification code within the next screen. And once you proceed forward after entering this code, you will be allowed to set up your profile and sign up right away. Just set up your username and your password for your account and enter your other personal details and you will be signed up to your Spark driver account for Walmart right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up on Walmart Spark. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.